Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're stopping a recording right now. End the call and avoid merging into a three-way conference. That's how many services record. Once the call ends, force quit any call recording app and turn off speakerphone because some apps record through amplified audio. Next, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Microphone, and remove access for any app you don't trust. That cuts the app's ability to capture live audio going forward, so make sure to remove access for every suspicious app. Now remove the source. Uninstall all call recording, VoIP, or three-way bridge apps and then reboot the phone. Once booted, open Settings and revoke any phone, call kit, or background app refresh permissions tied to those services so they can't relaunch in the background. Also open each app you used and sign out or delete linked accounts, then delete stored recordings inside the apps. These steps prevent the service from re-establishing recording access when you next make or receive calls. Finish by locking things down. Change your Apple ID and iCloud passwords and disable automatic backups for apps that might store recordings. That blocks remote copies. Use screen time to prevent reinstalling apps and run settings general transfer, or reset iPhone reset location and privacy to clear lingering permissions. If you still find recordings, contact your carrier to ask about third-party three-way recording or call merging services and delete any cloud-stored files. If problems continue, check cloud accounts and removed app archives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.